Renewable resources and its problems. Though water and biological living resources are considered renewable, they are in fact renewable only within certain limits. They are linked to natural cycles such as the water cycle. A. Forest resources use and over exploitation, deforestation, timber extraction, mining, dams, and their effects on forest and tribal people. B. Water resources use and overutilization of surface and groundwater, floods, drought, conflicts over water, dams, benefits and problems. C. Mineral resources used and exploited, environmental effects of extracting and using mineral resources. Look at this picture. D. Food resources. World food problems, changes in land use by agriculture, grazing, effects of modern agriculture, fertilizer, pesticide problems, water logging, and salinity. E. Energy resources, increasing energy needs, renewable, non-renewable, use of alternative energy sources. F. Land resources, land as a resource, land's degradation, man-induced landslides, soil erosion, and desertification. Look at this picture. Fresh water, even after being used, is evaporated by the sun energy, forms water vapor, and is reformed in clouds and falls to earth as rain. However, water resources can be overused or wasted too much, such an extent that they locally run dry. Water resources can be so heavily polluted by sewage and toxic substances that it becomes impossible to use the water. Forest, once destroyed, take thousands of years to regrow into fully developed natural ecosystem with their full complement of species Forest thus can be said to behave like non-renewable resources if overused. Fish are today being over-harvested until the catch has become a fraction of original resources, and the fish are incapable of breeding successfully to replenish the population. The output of agriculture land, if mismanaged, drop drastically when the population of species of plant or animal is reduced by human activities. Until it cannot reproduce fast enough to maintain a viable number, the species become extinct. Many species are probably become extinct without us even knowing, and other linked species are affected by their loss. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.